Much to all my panelists joining me on debate number one. On the other side, ladies and gentlemen, 10 days since getting the Kerala mandate, the Congress party is still trying to find the man for the moment. In Tamil Nadu, Vijay and TVK have managed to clear their floor test as well, managing to add 37 MLAs to his original tally short of majority. But in Kerala, with an overwhelming majority, Congress cannot come up with one name, that of their chief minister. Naturally, the voters haven't taken kindly to the delay in honoring their verdict. In Wayanad, which happens to be the constituency of Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, posters have now emerged accusing the Gandhis of a blunder. The writing on the wall is Wayanad will become the next Amethi. What's interesting is how the state leadership is almost completely out of the equation. The state Congress president says the announcement will be made from Delhi. In Delhi, Congress says the decision will be taking one more day. For the people of Kerala, it is now just a case of Tariq pe Tariq.
Sonia ma'am is back home. Now, when can we expect that?
At the earliest, I think. At the earliest.
Can we expect today, sir? Can we expect today?
Probably.
In your Delhi church,
Discussions will be there.
announcement will be from Delhi, sir?
Of course, it will.
The High Command of the Congress has completed all discussions and the decision on who the next Chief Minister of Kerala will be announced tomorrow.
Joining Radhika Khera and Tehseen Poonawalla are R. Rajagopalan, senior journalist, Vivek Srivastava, political analyst. I don't know. R. Rajagopalan, thank you for joining me. Tomorrow, the Congress has called for a legislature party meeting at 1 p.m. in Thiruvananthapuram. MLAs have been summoned to the capital city where the announcement of the chief minister will be made. Another meeting took place this evening. No decision taken, not announced. Date postponed to tomorrow. What's happening in the musical chairs of the Congress party in Kerala?
Kerala is very, very interesting story. There are three contenders. There are three Gandhis. Each one is picking up the other. Therefore, the confusion. Sonia, Rahul, Radhika Khera, don't laugh at me, please. I am telling you a serious story. Why are you laughing? I am sincerely telling you. Sonia Gandhi likes K.C.
Laughing in agreement.
Okay, Sonia Gandhi likes Ramesh Chennithala, Rahul Gandhi likes K.C. Venugopal, and Satishan likes Madam Priyanka Gandhi because he worked for him. So these are all certain, compulsions of three Gandhis, and the working committee is consisting of the dining table in which the three Gandhis finalized. The name has been finalized. They are waiting for the support of allies. That is why it is getting delayed, Navika. The name of Satishan has been finalized.
Okay. Tehseen Poonawalla, 10 days, name finalized, not announced. Is there really a problem within the Gandhi Parivar on whose choice will be the chief minister? And meanwhile, your alliance partners, they're getting extremely angsty. And look at those posters. Embarrassing, you would say?
Thank you, Navika. Not at all embarrassing. It's still lesser time than the BJP took with the first time with Himanta and so many other places, and including the cabinet in Maharashtra. It's still much lesser. But let me come to the issue.
You're competing with the BJP on decision.
No, we're better than the BJP. We're better than the BJP. I agree with what Rajgopalan ji said with regards to the name. I think it will be either BD or KC. But I think more or less the name that Rajgopalan ji said, more or less should be finalized, and the announcement will be made tomorrow once everything's taken on hand. In case it is KC, they'll have to have a general secretary in Delhi. So I think it is only two contenders, and the final call will be taken by the MLAs. As Rajgopalan ji knows, Congress is the most democratic party and doesn't go against the MLAs.
Well, Vivek Srivastava, Congress most democratic party, more than the CPM.
Before Vivek, एक second मुझे दे दो यार. Before Vivek Srivastava, don't mistake me. There are 18 MLAs who are going to Tirupati to taunt her head tomorrow if Satishan becomes CM.
Oh my God, that's a new angle. Vivek Srivastava, is that democracy?
Yeah, see, what I personally... Yeah, of course, it's much better than a Mohan Yadav or a Saini in Haryana and a Nitin Naveen at a national level as a judge. Nobody knows their names. The only credentials they have is that they know how to bow 180 degree, 360 degree in front of the Modi Shah team. At least the Congress, we are against it in Kerala, but they are showing democracy. They are calling the legislatures. They are discussing. They are arguing.
Oh,
they are
yeah.
fighting.
Well,
and that is how
3 rounds of
democracy in a
meetings
party
have taken
works.
place in
And
Delhi,
I
and you are
congratulate
saying the
Congress for
decision
it.
is being made in Kerala? You know, which world are you living in, Vivek Srivastava? Radhika Khera इन्हें कुछ पता ही
So
नहीं है.
what? So what?
Radhika ji, when
I mean, come
Vivek
on,
ji,
it is the Kerala.
Vivek ji,
Kerala के legislatures हैं.
विवेक जी, आप लोग हिंदुस्तान के नक्शे से साफ हो
अरे
चुके हैं,
तिरुवनंतपुरम
क्यों अपने आप को
केरला
डिबेट से नहीं
है,
साफ करा रहे
there the
ऐसी
meeting of
बेवकूफों
the
वाली बातें बोल के?
tomorrow.
लेट मी स्पीक विवेक जी, माय नेम इज राधिका, नॉट योर्स.
जी.
You're talking about nobody knows Nitin Naveen ji. Well, this is the beauty of democracy
Yes.
in the Bharatiya Janata Party. Anyone can become the national president, but when it comes to the Congress Party, High Command Sonia ji ने चाहा, Sonia जी
Not
की
anyone.
बदौलत, an 80-year-old man is
goes
saying
before the
Sonia
Prime
जी की
Minister.
बदौलत मैं यहाँ बैठा हूँ. Now keep quiet. I didn't speak over you. Navika ji, it's been 10 days since the result. 10 days of a headless state, 10 days of administrative vacuum, and 10 days of the Congress party's internal ego clash holding the people of Kerala hostage. While our Prime Minister is walking the talk on austerity and leading by personal example, the Congress leadership is crawling the crawl of entitlement. And look, as the Prime Minister clearly pointed out, even a fledgling outfit like the TVK, with no clear majority, managed to fulfill the constitutional formality of swearing in. They showed much more respect for the democratic process than a 100-year-old party. But here we have the Congress, which is paralyzed between Mr. Satheesan, Mr. Venugopal, and Mr. Ramesh Chennithala. This isn't leadership selection. It's a game of thrones that is being played by the with the Congress party at the expense of the people of Kerala. And those posters which you just showed in Wayanad, and I've always said that on every show of yours,
At least
that
you know
the
the
brother
three
and sister
options
are
in
going to
Kerala.
lose in Wayanad.
At least
Despite
you know
having
the
the
three
government.
options in
Tehseen
Solid
Poonawalla.
majority. They have
Tehseen Poonawalla, what do you make of those posters? Why not going the Amethi way? What do you make of that poster, Tehseen?
There is, these posters are put up by the BJP to try and divert attention. This is done by workers of the BJP. We know that, but it's okay. In a democracy, they're allowed to put up whatever.
Tehseen, you know what the situation with Amethi was.
It's all done by
But,
the BJP.
but I
It's all
thought
done
you
by
said
BJP.
there is no
But I'm
BJP
telling
in
you,
Tamil Nadu
all
and
of the
Kerala.
posters we have
And now you are saying the BJP is putting up the posters. Rajagopalanji, who put up those posters?
It
He knows
is
it.
Satisan's camp. It is Satisan's camp. Anti-Priyanka Gandhi camp.
Okay. If Satisan is anti-Priyanka, KC Venugopal is anti-Priyanka, then who is pro-Priyanka?
Sachin, सुनो.
I am.
Sachin, सुनो, Sachin.
That Tehseen is. Tehseen is.
सुनो, ये मैं 3 उंगली दिखा रहा हूँ. एक पकड़ लो आप. मैं चूज कर लेंगे. बीच वाला. KC Venugopal, you touch the finger.
Okay.
क्या कांग्रेस है यार? शर्म के मरना चाहिए साहब.
Okay, all right. Let's not get emotional. Let's not get emotional. But you know, Tehseen Poonawalla. You know, it's difficult for wins to come by for the Congress party. In Kerala, they've got that win. They are the leading faction of that coalition. 63 of their own seats. There are alliance partners.
Yeah.
Do you think this could have been handled better?
No, Radhika, because 2.5 people don't take decisions in Congress. It's a democratic party. All the winning MLAs and consulting the allies, they take a democratic decision.
Fantastic. Just like the democratic decision is waiting to be taken in Karnataka, in Rajasthan, we saw what democracy did to the Rajasthan government. We know what democracy did in Chhattisgarh. We know what democracy in the Congress party did in Himachal Pradesh. Radhika Khera, democracy, 2.5 people, lessons for the BJP?
Navika ji, there is only one person who takes all the decisions in the Congress party, which is the Bhasmasur Shri Rahul Gandhi. And he plays a game of musical chairs. And the workers in every state now know that the High Command is a bottleneck and not a solution. And he has single-handedly destroyed the party. Very good for us. I hope Rahul Gandhi continues to be at the helm of affairs and they don't let anyone else come. And they should keep KC Venugopal along with him because they are doing their best. And they are our best, वो क्या कहते हैं ना, हमारा सबसे अच्छा players of the भारतीय जनता पार्टी वही है. हमें कुछ करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती है, खुद ही अपने आप को बर्बाद कर लेते हैं. Imagine, Kerala, you have won with absolute majority, और आपको इतने दिन लग रहे हैं.
Vivek Srivastava, could they have handled this better, faster, swifter, and better decorum?
Yeah. Look, all I'll say is Radhika over here knows all the three names. Mr. Rajgopalan knows all the three names. पूरी पब्लिक को पता है कि तीन लोग कांग्रेस में हैं, तीनों कंटेंट कर रहे हैं, कोशिश कर रहे हैं हमें सपोर्ट मिले. This is democracy. Is it there in the BJP?
One of them didn't contest. One of them didn't contest the election, sir.
Nobody.
That would be a paratrooper. That would be a paratrooper, and paratroopers, democracy, I don't know. Well, it's all happening in Kerala now. The expectation is that a chief minister will be announced tomorrow. Well, on the 11th day, if they can actually figure out which one of these three will be the chief minister, good luck to the Congress party. In a state they won hands down, it's taken them then 11 days to figure out who is going to represent the party and lead it in Kerala. Well, politics Congress style. Will Wayanad go the Amethi way, as the poster said? Well, watch this space as politics continues in Kerala. Thank you very much to all my panelists for joining me on the News Hour. Good night, viewers. I'll be back tomorrow. Stay safe.